Welcome. In front of me I have the iPhone 14 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into recovery mode, which can be used to, for instance, reset your device if you don't know PIN for your phone. So anyway, we will need a computer that can be Mac or Windows, doesn't really matter. There is a chance that if you're using Windows, you might need to download iTunes for this, and obviously if you're booting it into recovery mode in idea of resetting it, you do need iTunes to do so. Now if you're using a Mac, you don't need to download anything, everything is already in the computer. So yeah, anyway, let's get started. So all you would need to do is plug it in. As you can see, it's already plugged in for me. And then you're gonna press volume up, volume down, and you're gonna hold power key for the rest of the time. Now, after a moment of seeing the Apple logo, you should also see this. Once you do, you can let go of the key. And on the computer side, you should get some kind of pop-up that it detected the iPhone in recovery mode, which you can see iPhone recovery mode. There you go. So that is how you boot your iPhone into recovery mode. And from here, you can either update it or restore it, whatever you want. Now, if you want to leave this mode, all you would do is, again, hold not power key, but volume up, volume down, and then power. And this will reboot the device. Now once this kind of thing disappears from the screen, like it did, let go of the key, and it should boot up automatically, as it is doing right now. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.